Hello, what's up guys? In this video I'll show you how to remove noise from any kind of audio or mp3 file in your Android device. So first of all you need software which is called Wave Editor, which you'll be able to find it or download it from Play Store. Right, I've just downloaded this software already. Now here you can see that this is the interface of the application. It's look like. Now what you need to do, you can just simply record from this software. You can later then edit from the software. But if you have that audio file previously, what you can do is you can see the browse option on the bottom left side. Just tap on that and you need to find that audio file which you want to remove the noise, right? So now here you can see this is the file which I want to remove the noise from this audio file. I've just simply stepped on that file. Now here you can see that this is the file this is the file which I want to remove noise from, right? So as you can see that if I try to stretch this a bit, now here you can see the little wave, these are the noise basically, right? And if I try to play this, okay, I'll be able to listen the voice. So let's just try to hear. Hello, what's up guys? In this video I'll show you how to reduce noise from your voiceover or voice recording. Alright, so this thing, this audio has a little bit noise, right? Not much, but still we can just try to remove that little noise from that audio. Now what we can do is you want to select effects on the top right side. Now here you can see that noise gate on the you can see that plugin which is loudness in bottom part of that loudness. You will be able to see noise gate option. Just tap on that. Now here you can see all the noise gates. So it's this is the basic profile of noise gate. Let's just try to hear. Hello, what's up guys? In this video I'll show you how to reduce. Okay, now if you think that your voice is slightly sounds slightly narrow, what you can do is you can just increase the release and keep that between 60 to 65. Okay, and try to listen again and set that perfectly. Hello, what's up guys? In this video I guess this need to increase to 65. Okay, let me just hear again. Hello, what's up guys? In this video I'll show you how to reduce noise from your voiceover or voice recording. Okay, also there in that voice there was not much noise actually, but this release option you can see it should be changed, or other option should be changed if you think that you need to change it, right? It's slightly, so you can just make a slightly change in this you can see that threshold, attack and release according to needs. But I'll just suggest to keep this as it is, so this will be not much problem, I hope. Okay, now everything is good to go. Now what you need to do is just simply tap on the tick mark in the center. Okay, and now tap on file, now on the top left side, and tap on export, and you can simply select track or mix according to needs, and you can select the file location as well. You can give a input, you can input a file name. So I'm giving it test file name, and you can select the format of that audio file, I'm just selecting it mp3 and simply tapping on export, right? So the file is exported, right? So let's just try to find that audio where it is. Okay, let me just play it. Hello, what's this? In this video I'll show you. Okay, so I'm not sure if you could hear that sound clearly or not, but it will do the work, right? So in this way you will be able to reduce the noise from any kind of voiceover or audio file, okay, which you want to do it. So yep, this is very useful software, I guess, and it will be very useful to you as well. So yep, that was all for today. Hope you like this video. If you have any kind of question regarding this video, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned with 5 minute solution.